Peppermint is a renowned herb, trailing back to the ancient civilizations of Greeks, Romans, and Egyptians. Recognized for its multifaceted uses and benefits, it's still prevalent in treating various health problems and diseases. Peppermint is nutritionally rich, boasting the likes of vitamin A, iron, manganese, and folic acid. A mere third cup of mint contains essential nutrients catering to a significant percentage of your daily requirements. Rich in antioxidants, peppermint protects against various diseases, making it beneficial for the heart, preventing cancer, and other diseases like Alzheimer's. Peppermint aids in managing symptoms of irritable bowel disease, such as bloating, stomach pain, and inconsistent bowel movements. The relaxation of gastrointestinal tract muscles by a compound called menthol in peppermint is responsible for this relief. One of the notable benefits of peppermint for the stomach is aiding digestion, reducing nausea and vomiting. The aroma of peppermint essential oil can quickly alleviate the feeling of nausea, especially during travel. When you inhale the aroma of mint for just 5 minutes, it can significantly improve your memory. In addition, it also uplifts your mood, boosts alertness, and eliminates stress. The essential oils in peppermint can energize your body and boost your energy quickly, acting at the nerve system and respiratory level. For breastfeeding mothers, mint can be a source of pain relief. It can reduce the discomfort caused by sores and cracks in the nipple area, making the feeding process less painful. Mint also helps improve the symptoms associated with colds. It aids in clearing nasal congestion, helping you breathe better. Plus, it helps to relieve inflammation of the mouth and pharynx. Mint also combats bad breath, albeit temporarily. Consuming it in the form of gum or candy can mask the bad odor for several hours. Lastly, the application of peppermint oil can suppress the sensation of pain if used immediately after a blow or trauma. It can also alleviate colic pains in the lower abdomen in women. Mint, a common herb, is known for its distinct aroma and medicinal value. It has been used for centuries for its remarkable medicinal properties. One of the most surprising benefits of mint is its potential ability to relieve headaches, including severe migraines. Mint can also play a role in weight loss. Drinking mint tea stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, absorbs useful salts and minerals in food, and even helps to burn fat and convert it into energy. However, excessive consumption of mint can lead to heartburn, allergic reactions, and even stomach irritation. High doses of peppermint oil can be toxic, and it is particularly important to avoid using it on children's skin, as it could cause respiratory problems. Research has also hinted at the anti-cancer properties of mint. Certain enzymes present in mint may help prevent and treat various types of cancer, including prostate, skin, and lung cancer. Mint leaves are a good source of potassium, which relaxes blood vessels and maintains body fluid balance, hence helping in lowering blood pressure and regulating heart rate. Moreover, the strong aroma of mint is believed to improve memory, cognitive functions, and increase alertness. If you're prone to travel sickness or morning sickness, the scent of fresh mint leaves can activate the enzymes necessary for digestion, helping to relieve nausea.